What is Japanese Thomas even doing here? Wait, so the director of the Oigawa Railway just sent him to America? Guess I won't have an answer, but to be honest, let's just test him to see if he's well. Okay, so his boiler is well. His boiler is good. What about his boiler tubes? His boiler tubes is doing good, and oh no, he's going to explode. A few minutes later, apparently he didn't explode, but to be honest, just be careful. To be honest, you didn't check his boiler properly. I understand. This won't happen again. All right. I will give you a second chance to do this. Okay, testing. So far this train is doing good. He's actually doing good. I don't know why the Oigawa Railway director make a replica of Thomas. And we have a problem. We seriously need to help him. Let's go get help. Dun, 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 dun. Thank you for watching.
See you next time. Bye.